finish my class and I join your session. That class would be from 10 to 11 p.m. IST.
10 to 11 will be quite difficult for me because it's almost like 5:30, right? 5:30 here.
There are 2 other callers on the call.
And already that class was started, only one demo was over and first class was over.
Okay. So you mean like
Anyway, I have the recording. I'll send to you. You can watch the recordings. And
okay.
you can join one more class before the class starts on the weekend. You can sit on Friday or someday. And you can discuss if you have any doubts on those sessions.
Okay. But so the weekend batch is completely different, right? So the weekday class you're saying Monday to Friday, either in the morning or in the evening.
Yeah, weekend class will be from 6 to 8:30 p.m. IST.
PM 6 to 8:30 p.m. IST.
IST, yeah.
So that will be afternoon here, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Around 1:30 to that should be fine. I think it's weekends it should be fine. But anything on the weekends you're saying is it 2 classes, morning and evening, or is it only just one?
No, it's only one class. So each class is of 2.5 hours.
Okay, I got it.
So 1 hour and then break and another 1.5 hours. So it would be 5 weeks. So same as, so on the 2 days we cover 5 hours.
So you mean like,
but on a daily basis it will be on 1 hour each.
Oh, got it. Okay. 10 to 11.
That would be for 5 weeks.
But only thing is concern is like the weekdays if I go, only problem is it's 5:30, so I can't reach 5:30 back from the work.
So either it is on early morning 6:30 to 7:30, or it would be a late night from 10 to 11 p.m.
Early morning will be night for me, so it's very difficult actually. Only option
probably you can wait for the next batch to complete, because currently I have an enrolled batch which is running from 7 to 8. So we have 7 people, but the batch is already 80% over. Another 20% is remaining. So that would be complete by 26th of September. And then I'm going to start another batch at October 1st.
Okay. But I think it's a weekend class would be fine, I guess. That's the best option, I guess, right? It's only one option I have. Because in the weekdays, I think it's very difficult to reach by 5:30, and then since it's only 1 hour, right? Even though if I come a little bit half an hour late also, I'll miss a lot of, yeah. Okay. So what actually are you going to cover in the course?
Yeah. The course content is primarily will be native HANA and integration with BODS and BOBI. So data modeling, my main focus will be on native HANA data modeling. So I'll give just SAP overview and features and introduction to HANA and architecture of HANA, licensing models, HANA Studio, creation of data models, and then data provisioning using BODS, Business Objects Data Services, and then implementation scenarios, and data provisioning using SLT, System Landscape Transformation, real-time replication of data from source systems to target systems, configuration, and then data provisioning using DXC, Direct Extractor Connection,
okay,
and reporting, authorizations on how to control data, transport management, moving of objects from development quality to production, BW powered by HANA, and then SQL script and miscellaneous topics. And finally, most of the participants who have taken the course have successfully be able to clear the certification. Every participant got more than 90% in the course.
But do you need to have like a prior BW knowledge to have an SAP HANA, or is it?
No, not necessary. Whatever is relevant for HANA, I would cover in the BW.
Okay.
Sorry?
And when you say like if you go up right, you're saying BODS as well, right? Some of the parts are covering BODS as well.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. There will mainly be focus on the 4.2 version, it is called as data services workbench. If you go to the, let's show you on the system.
Yeah, okay.
At least I can show you what we will be covering. So we will cover BODS 4.2, 4.2 data services workbench, which is a new UI for HANA to replicate data from source system to target system, and HANA Studio. And ECC. So this is our landscape we have. Data services, HANA Studio, ECC, BW powered by HANA, BW 1.4, SC5. This is BW 1.4, SC5. This is on the HANA DB. And we have ECC, SAP system. So this is HANA Studio. So most of the data modeling we do it from the HANA Studio. Like creation of attribute views, analytical views, calculation views. So this is what we have done in the 10 PM batch. Just not completed this. We just started with attribute views and analytical views. Okay. So we just completed until this topic, analytical views. But for weekend, I think for weekend, I think it's a very basic introduction. Basic introduction of here. So how to move data from via BODS. So this is BODS we are going to look. This is a BODS 4.2. Let's see different transforms that are available in BODS.
Oh, okay.
How to move data, merge, how to move data to HANA is all. And then SLT to replicate data in real time. Data provisioning.
Okay.
SLT replication in real time. And then DXC. DXC is basically to extract data from SAP system. These are from extracting data from data sources, which are actually used for BW system in past. The same data sources now I can use in HANA. So that is via HTTP connection and DXC to HANA. So this is basically a service. It's not a tool. It's just a service. You need to enable the service.
Okay, extract connection. Okay.
So basically, the focus mainly will be on data modeling, data provisioning, SLT, BODS, DXA, and finally the reporting, which is BOBI. So in BOBI, we're going to cover Lumira, Design Studio, Explorer, analysis for Office, analysis for OLAP.
Okay, super.
Office, analysis for OLAP, Explorer, all the set of Tableau, which is a third-party reporting tool. It's a very popular reporting tool on HANA.
Yeah.
Tableau.
But you're saying about weekends 5 hours, right? 5 hours into 5. You're saying 5 weekends.
Yeah.
But that is 25 hours, right? Will that be sufficient to cover all these topics, or?
Yes, it will be sufficient. So probably it depends on what kind of questions you ask. Most of the class will be something like very interactive. So if you have more questions, it will be dragged on 6 weeks. Otherwise, my schedule will be at 25 hours. Whatever I wanted to cover. Probably sometimes in a batch they would ask more questions. Probably sometimes they may not ask any question.
Yeah, but I'm quite new to the SAP HANA. I'm not sure. Like I work completely on the SAP business objects with the non-SAP environment as the main source for me, like Oracle and SQL Server.
Most of people, I'm telling you very frankly, people who have not even known what is a database also, they've got to a course free, and then you're already done information design tool or UDT, universe design tool.
Yeah, IDT and UDT. Yeah.
So that should not be a very difficult for you. Already you're familiar about this universes, semantic layers,
Yeah.
It should not be very difficult for you. It should be very easy for you. Okay. And then, so I'll just pause for now. Okay. But you can attend the weekend class, and we'll see how we can go forward. Right?
Okay. But
And
the weekend class.
Yeah.
How many attendees are in the weekend class?
There are around 4 attendees.
Okay.
4 attendees are there on the weekend class. So you can just contact your from the organization you have come from. They will contact me. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Okay. But
thank you. Yeah.
Sorry. One more question. Yeah. That's what will that be enough? That's the time frame you're mentioning, right? 25 hours. Will that be sufficient to cover? Because most of the topics I see, right, they're like you're going to go to all the step by step each one of them, or is something like you cover up some certain things and then?
No. You cover step by step. Cover everything, Suresh. I can say I'm one of the best trainers in HANA. That's what I can say. More than that, I cannot say anything.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, okay, that's fine. I mean, I'm not saying that you're not the best. I'm just asking, but like, some queries.
No, yeah. What I'm actually trying to say is, whatever is there in HANA, there should be whatever it is, there should be more than sufficient.
Okay. And what about
but then life is a learning process.
Okay. What about the real-time environment? Because you provide all the server access and everything, right? But
yeah. So everything, even server access will be given.
Okay.
And real-time environment is, I'll discuss the live project with you. SAP project like controlling profitability analysis, distribution channel, sales and distribution, material management. All this will be discussed over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Thank you, Suresh.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, no problem. Yeah. Maybe one more thing. Can I join the coming class on Saturday? 6 to 8.
You can join. Yes, you can join. No issues.
But it's
Before
the third class.
I'll send you a demo. You just look into the demo, and then we will have one more class on Friday, so that we can just talk to each other.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
And then we can, whatever questions you have, then we can continue from Saturday.
Yeah, that should be fine. That should be fine.
Thanks, Suresh.
Thanks so much. Thanks. Yeah, good night. Bye.
Good night. Bye.